This 2020 Forest River Cherokee Wolfpack 365 PACK16 is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Longs, South Carolina, 29568 and is offered for sale by Recreation USA. This used Forest River is 43 feet 7 inches in length and features 2 slideouts, sleeps 10, CO detector, awning, smoke detector, spare tire kit, microwave, skylight, leveling jacks, refrigerator, auxiliary battery, external shower, and 100 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features bunk beds, front bedroom, loft, outdoor entertainment, patio deck, 2 entry, exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2020 Forest River Cherokee Wolfpack 365 PACK16 is 12,443 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Recreation USA, visit RVUSA.com.